Okay, this is the last one, and it's pretty straightforward. We're describing a pattern and then writing the next two terms. Well, if we look from here to here, and then from here to here, from here to here, we notice that the number is switching between positive to negative, back to positive, back to negative, switching signs every time. How do you switch signs? Well, not adding, that's not going to jump us back and forth, not subtracting. Multiplying will jump us back and forth as long as we're multiplying by what? Multiplying by a negative number. So it says multiply the previous term by, well, this one says 2. If we did this times 2, 3 times 2 is 6. That's the right number, wrong sign. This times 2 is 12. This times 2 is 24. So it seems like there should be a 2 in there somewhere that you're multiplying by, but we need to switch signs every time. So we're really going to multiply by negative 2. So let's just check it. Like, let's say start with our first number, 3. And then we do, well, that first number 3 times negative 2. And we get negative 6. And then we do that times negative 2. And we get 12. And then we do that times negative 2. And we get negative 24. And we do that times negative 2. And we get 48. And we do that times negative 2. And we get negative 96. Well, look at, these are all the numbers that we had. Let's circle them in some color. Okay, 3, our first number. Negative 6, our second number. 12, our third number. Negative 24, our fourth number. Now we're running into numbers we didn't get yet. And sorry, I'm just going to put that in blue. I want to see that in blue. Equals negative 96. Okay. So we've got the first 4 numbers circled in green for our sequence. 3, negative 6, 12, negative 24. We got that by multiplying by negative 2 every time. And that, again, continuing by times negative 2, we get negative 24 times negative 2. And we should get positive 48. Right? 48, there it is. And we multiply by negative 2 again, and we get negative 96. So our next two numbers should be 48 and negative 96. And that is this response here, D. Multiply the previous term by negative 2, and we will get then 48 and negative 96. That's what we get. We're done.